Join Mamachka for a weekend retreat in the beautiful and serene wine country of the Central Coast. Enjoy views of rolling hills as far as the eye can see from a charming private hilltop estate in the heart of the little town of San Miguel, just a few miles from downtown Paso Robles. The grounds are ideal for meditational walks through the vineyards, relaxing soaks in the hot tub, and nighttime stargazing, among other activities. Ground and uplift yourself through daily 75-minute yoga classes and nourish your body with carefully prepared daily meals by a local private chef. You will experience a unique guided wine tour through the wineries and enjoy a special wine-paired luncheon at Cass Winery. To end the day of wine tasting, take some time for yourself as you stroll through the beautiful downtown Paso Robles and explore the local artisan shops, antique stores, and delicious restaurants. This is a perfect retreat to experience with your dearest friend, loving partner, with your mother or your daughter, or even all on your own. Space is very limited for this intimate getaway, so reserve your spot today.